Alright, I've been having trouble with my son's Stampede. Yes, this is the Stampede that my son, you will normally see in the videos, whether it's a skate park, whether it's the state park across from downtown Nashville, that he is driving as if physics do not exist. It makes for very entertaining videos. Usually also makes for me to do some work on the truck. But I've been having this issue with it that I just have not been able to get over recently. So a couple months ago, it just started to cog badly. I don't really know what the trigger was, just all of a sudden, out of the blue, cogging. A new speed control, a new motor that's sitting over here. Drive shafts that are straight, so there's no binding. A new bearing here, new bearings at all four corners of the wheels, and guess what it does? It still cogs. It's better, but even from a stop, like if it's on a hill and it's on a stop, it still cogs. So as a test, as you can tell, what I have done is I took the, in theory, new motor out, and I put the old motor back in, because this was a known, basically this thing is junk. You can feel that the bearings in it are bad, stuff like that, like it's bad. So this thing should be a lot better, right? No. So put this motor back in, it's actually slightly better than this one, which makes no sense to me. And so I am guessing that what happened is at the very beginning of all of this, this motor truly was bad. I put this motor in its place, and for whatever reason, whether it's a defect from the factory, whether it just doesn't mate up to a hobby wing speed control very well, whatever it is also not cooperating. So I have spent more money on this truck now, and I have got the exact same motor again. Yay! Why? Because this thing lasted for over a year with him absolutely abusing the heck out of it. And so we are going to bolt this motor back in place of the factory motor, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, I'm looking, this is the motor that I'm taking out of it. I want you to just see this. Look at how much play there is in the shaft of this motor. I think something inside there is just gone. Look at that. That should not wiggle that much. The new motor doesn't wiggle like that at all. And then listen. That is rough in there. Those bearings are gone, something. Alright, so look. New motor in the new Ghoul RC. So same one that was in there before, just not worn out. You ready to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. For you, sir. See how it does. Now try it. Whoa! Careful. Hey, is that better?
Yeah. I like it.
It is easy to drive, isn't it? So you're going to say that, then immediately crash it. So what do you think? Is that much better than what it was before?
Yeah!
That's exciting, isn't it? Awesome.